Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Falcon NAC 7. Specifications. Material: carbon fiber composite airframe with stealth coating. Engine: twin hyperjet engines with scramjet boosters. Speed: Mach 10. Range: 12,000 miles. Armament: advanced laser weapons, hypersonic missiles, and AI-controlled drone swarms. Technology: quantum computing, avionics, adaptive camouflage, and integrated AI systems for autonomous operation. Special features: vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, EMP shielding, and luxury pilot cabin with augmented reality interfaces. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Viper F-12. Specifications. Material: titanium alloy structure with graphene reinforcement. Engine: fusion-powered engines with electromagnetic pulsed thrusters. Speed: Mach 12. Range: 15,000 miles. Armament: plasma cannons, railguns, and next-gen guided missiles. Technology: holographic cockpit display, AI-assisted navigation, and adaptive stealth technology. Special features: zero-gravity maneuvering, EMP-resistant systems, and a luxurious cockpit with holographic controls. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Raptor Z9. Specifications. Material: advanced composite materials with a stealth nano coating. Engine: antimatter propulsion system with vector thrust. Speed: Mach 15. Range: 20,000 miles. Armament: directed energy weapons, hypersonic missiles, and autonomous drone deployment. Technology: quantum radar, AI-driven combat systems, and adaptive camouflage. Special features: hypersonic cruise capability, integrated defense systems, and a luxurious pilot cabin with a panoramic display. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Phoenix T-10. Specifications. Material: nano-engineered alloy with stealth properties. Engine: hybrid ion engines with plasma afterburners. Speed: Mach 8. Range: 10,000 miles. Armament: advanced kinetic energy weapons, AI-guided missiles, and laser defense systems. Technology: augmented reality cockpit, AI-powered flight control, and adaptive stealth technology. Special features: vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, high-G maneuverability, and an ultra-luxurious cockpit with augmented reality interfaces. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Hawk S-15. Specifications. Material: carbon titanium hybrid with stealth enhancements. Engine: quantum tunneling engines with photonic propulsion. Speed: Mach 18. Range: 18,000 miles. Armament: quantum laser weapons, hypersonic smart missiles, and autonomous combat drones. Technology: 360-degree holographic cockpit display, AI-driven tactical systems, and adaptive stealth technology. Special features: extreme altitude flight, EMP-resistant systems, and a luxurious cockpit with immersive holographic controls. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Spectre M11. Specifications. Material: advanced ceramic composite with stealth nanotechnology. Engine: fusion reactor engines with variable geometry nozzles. Speed: Mach 16. Range: 17,000 miles. Armament: hypervelocity railguns, directed energy weapons, and AI-synchronized missile systems. Technology: adaptive stealth systems, AI-enhanced piloting, and quantum computing avionics. Special features: VTOL capability, extreme maneuverability, and a luxurious cockpit with full holographic display. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Thunderbolt X-5. Specifications. Material: graphene-infused titanium with adaptive camouflage. Engine: hypersonic pulse detonation engines. Speed: Mach 14. Range: 14,000 miles. Armament: plasma cannons, hypersonic missiles, and AI-controlled drone swarms. Technology: quantum radar, AI-driven flight systems, and adaptive camouflage technology. Special features: hypersonic cruise capability, stealth mode, and a luxurious cockpit with augmented reality controls. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Tempest VX. Specifications: material: carbon fiber reinforced polymer with stealth coating. Engine: advanced hybrid scramjet engines. Speed: Mach 12. Range: 13,000 miles. Armament: laser weapons, kinetic energy projectiles, and AI-guided smart bombs. Technology: holographic HUD, AI-enhanced avionics, and adaptive stealth technology. Special features: vertical takeoff and landing VTOL, high-G maneuverability, and an ultra-luxurious cockpit with holographic controls. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Phoenix X-1. Specifications: material: nano-engineered aluminum with stealth capabilities. Engine: advanced ion propulsion systems. Speed: Mach 10. Range: 11,000 miles. Armament: electromagnetic railguns, hypersonic missiles, and AI-controlled drone deployment. Technology: augmented reality cockpit, AI-powered navigation, and adaptive stealth technology. Special features: VTOL capability, EMP-resistant systems, and a luxurious cockpit with augmented reality interfaces. Prototypes of future fighter aircraft. Dragonfly H-10. Specifications: material: carbon titanium hybrid with advanced stealth coating. Engine: dual hybrid plasma engines. Speed: Mach 9. Range: 10,500 miles. Armament: directed energy weapons, advanced missile systems, and autonomous drone deployment. Technology: 360-degree holographic display, AI-driven flight systems, and adaptive camouflage. Special features: VTOL capability, extreme maneuverability, and a luxurious cockpit with immersive holographic controls.